When you are learning about inheritance and polymorphism, you must know about these characteristics of inheritance and polymorphism. That is, you cannot inherit or override a constructor function of the parent class. So, well, each of the classes in Java can have several constructor function. Either it can be a default constructor or a parameterized constructor, like that. This constructor always executes when the object is created. So it is a very special function. So this is another speciality of the constructor. Any public method can be inherited, but constructor, even if it is declared with public, you cannot inherit it. So the statement can be tested if you follow these instructions, and if you can create a BMW car class, and then just create a constructor inside this BMW car class that I have shown earlier. And after creating the constructor over there, try to access it or override that constructor from the child BMW 320 class. So you can try to do that in these ways. Like, first you can try to override or re-implement the constructor inside the child, constructor of the parent inside the child, and it will definitely going to give you an error. So your code may look like this. Let's say this is your BMW underscore 320, and of course there will be a class, and inside this class you are basically trying to override the constructor of BMW car. So it will look something like BMW car, and then you are doing something. So if you just do like this, you are definitely going to get an error, and definitely it's not going to override the constructor in the child, because it cannot be overridden. The other thing is, like, you can try something like this, that BMW 320i, you can create an object of this BMW 320 child class in the main function, and then call the constructor of the parent, that is BMW car, using a dot operator of that object. So it will look something like this. Inside your main function, it should look something like that. Let's say BMW 320 object dot BMW car, means the constructor, something like this. Well, from these things are not possible, and whenever you will do that, here also you can expect, in both the cases that I have discussed, in both the cases you can expect an error, because a constructor, even if it is public, cannot be inherited or overridden in child.